I've actually already started working quite a bit this morning. I'm just kind of experimenting with some new designs for this week, and we're getting ready to walk across town because Adam has a hair appointment and it's just really nice outside, so we thought we would all go for a walk. Well, not all. Will is at school and then Rory doesn't go to school till noon, so we have some time. It's about quarter till 10 right now, so I'm going to get back to work and then take you guys on our walk with us.
Tired.
We are about to head out for lunch. We're gonna go to our favorite Mexican place. So I just kind of needed a break, so that's what we're gonna do, and I'll come back and get back to work and hang out with Siri for the rest of the afternoon. I have a few packages to mail today that are orders due to go out, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So it's the end of the day, and I just finished the fingerless version of the Consider the Raven mittens, so I will be spending the evening tucking in the ends, unblocking those, and final pictures will be taken soon. And I'm gonna do a new cast on tonight. Megan, if you are watching this, turn it off. There's nothing else other than your mittens and talking about them after this part. So if you want them to be a surprise, turn it off. Anyway, so the mittens, my sister, all my sisters actually, have asked for a pair of mittens this year, a new pair of mittens. And the middle sister, there's 4 of us, and I'm the oldest, so the next down from me is Megan, and she asked for cabled flip-top mittens. So I chose the Antler mittens by TinCan Knits. I've knit the Antler hat before and I really liked the pattern, so I'm going to just convert these into flip-top mittens for her. And it calls for chunky yarn, and the wool that I have back here is actually a worsted, so I'm going to hold it together with a strand of lace weight mohair, so they'll be very soft and fuzzy for her. And if she ends up preferring no mohair, then I have plenty of other colors that she can choose from of just the worsted, and I'll just adjust the pattern as I need to. So I think tonight it's just fake fireplace, candles, and maybe an audio podcast. I have a little bit of a headache and kind of just want a super quiet, chill night. So I'm gonna cast these on and just work on mittens tonight. I will see all of you tomorrow. Thanks for coming to another day of Vlogtober.